Packaging product accessories. Loosen the sunflower screw without completely removing it, so that the riser tube can be pulled out. Remove the sunflower-shaped screw. Slip the handlebar over the riser tube. Secure the handlebar to the riser tube with a sunflower-shaped screw. Press the folding handle downward with one hand while lifting the vertical tube with the other hand. Step on the tail wing with one foot to secure the body and hold the handlebars with both hands to push forward firmly. After confirming that the unfolding is complete, flip the safety buckle downward to secure it over the folding handle. Shake the handlebars to align them. Tighten the handlebar screws to secure the handlebars. Remove the instrument screw. Remove the components for installation on the handlebars. Install the instrument on the handlebars and tighten the instrument screws for fixation. Throttle cable. Switch cable. Instrument cable. Right brake lever cable. Right side light cable. Horn cable. Left brake lever cable. Left side light cable. Install the right rearview mirror in the fixed position on the handlebar and rotate it along the threads. Rotate the nut on the right rearview mirror downward and tighten it with a wrench. Install the left rearview mirror in the fixed position on the handlebar and rotate it along the threads. Rotate the nut on the left rearview mirror downward and tighten it with a wrench. Place the license plate bracket on the tail wing, align the holes, and slightly screw in the 4 license plate bracket screws to facilitate alignment and positioning. After confirming the alignment, use a hex key tool to tighten the license plate bracket screws. Taillight wire. Open the seat quick-release clamp ring. Hold the buckle of the seat quick-release clamp ring. Fasten the seat vertical tube and then close the seat quick-release clamp ring. Open the quick-release clamp ring of the seat vertical tube. Insert the seat riser tube and align it. Close the quick-release clamp ring of the seat vertical tube and unfold the seat. Keep pressing the power button, then touch the position of the icon displayed on the screen with NFC to complete the boot. Left turn signal switch and display icon. If it does not match the video, check whether the wires are connected incorrectly. Right turn signal switch and display icon. If it does not match the video, check whether the wires are connected incorrectly. Full light switch and display icon. If it does not match the video, check whether the wires are connected incorrectly. Horn button. If it does not match the video, check whether the wires are connected incorrectly. The position of the gear shift buttons and display icons. Correlated response between the brake lever and the warning. Tail light. If there is no response, check whether the wires are connected incorrectly. Open the quick release clamp ring of the seat vertical tube. Pull out the seat. Press and hold the seat cushion folding switch to fold the seat cushion. Open the quick release clamp ring of the license plate bracket. Press and hold the buckle on the quick release clamp ring of the license plate bracket and fold the license plate bracket. Open the quick release clamp ring of the seat. Press and hold the buckle on the seat quick release clamp ring and fold the seat vertical tube. Open the safety buckle. Hold the vertical tube with one hand and push it forward while pulling the folding handle backward with the other hand. Open the quick release clamp ring of the vertical tube. Shrink the handlebars to the shortest length. Close the quick release clamp ring of the vertical tube.